In this video, we want to study how to round numbers and decimals in a very easy method. In rounding numbers, take note of the number at the right side of the number we want to round. If it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we round down. But if the number at the right side is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we round up by changing it to 1 and adding it to the number we want to round. We are going to see examples of how to apply this. Now we want to round numbers to the nearest 10. How do we know which number is the nearest 10? In 79. Using our place value system, from the extreme right, the first number is the unit, followed by the 10. Now we want to round to the nearest 10, which is 7, and the number at the right of 7, 9, is greater than 5. Because 9 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 7. It becomes 8. And where the 9 was, we replace with a 0. So 79 to the nearest 10 is 80. We have rounded up. Another example we are going to see, we want to round 121 to the nearest 10. Still using our place value system, starting from the right, the first number is the unit, followed by the 10. So the 10th position is 2. Now 1, which is at the right of 2, is less than 5. Because 1 is less than 5, we round it down to 0. So where 1 was, we replace with a 0, and the 10th position remains the same. So 121 to the nearest 10 becomes 120. I know it's very easy. Let's see another example. We want to round 1367 to the nearest 10. Still using the place value, the number at the extreme right is a unit, followed by the 10. The number at the right, which is the unit and which is 7, 7 is greater than 5. Because 7 is greater than 5, we change it to 1 and add it to the number on the 10th position, which is 6, and it becomes 7. So where 6 was, we change it to 7 and we replace the 7 with a 0. So 1367 becomes 1370. We have rounded up. I know it's very easy. Now we want to see how to round numbers to the nearest 100. To round numbers to the nearest 100, still using our place value system, we want to know which number is in the 100 position. So starting from the right, we have the unit, we have the 10, and we have the 100. So 1 is in the 100th position, and the number immediately after 1, which is 2, is less than 5. Because 2 is less than 5, we replace it with a 0, and the number after it also is replaced with a 0. So to round 123 to the nearest 100, it becomes 100, which is 100. I know it's very easy. Let us also round 2349 to the nearest 100. Starting from the extreme right, we want to know which number is in the 100 position. So we have the unit, we have the 10, and we have the 100. Now the number immediately after the 100, which is 4 is less than 5. Because 4 is less than 5, we round down. So 2349 becomes 2300. When we are rounding down, remember that when we are rounding down, the number we are rounding down becomes a 0. Let's see another example. We want to change 12,350. We want to round to the nearest 100. Now how do we know the 100th position? Still using our place value. Starting from the extreme right, the first number is the unit, followed by the 10, and followed by the 100. Now 3 is 100, and immediately to the right of 3 is 5, and we said if the number at the right of the number we want to round is 5 or more, we round up. Now because it is 5, we change it to 1 and add it to 3 and it becomes 4. So in the 100 position, we replace 3 with 4, so we have 1, 2, 4, and we replace the other numbers after it with zeros. So 12,350 becomes 12,400. We have rounded up. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Please make sure you drop your questions in the comment section. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.